Hello guys, welcome back. Yesterday I'm going to create a video and record a video of myself for the future of channel, and then I schedule it for I think 4 or 5 years ago from now. But let's go and see what we are going to create today. We are going to create this slide. If you don't like this template, we have so many templates set that I teach you how to create them. You can go and look for them. Okay, let's create it. For creating this, the first thing we need to create these shapes, but this template is broken. We are going to fix it. At first we need to create this shape. Let's see how we can create it. Let's create a new slide. At first, insert a rectangle. Easy. Our shape has been created. No outline. This is not good. I don't like it like this. Go here, shape format and shape effect. I like it a little like this. After that we need to create these circles. Okay, let's go here, insert a circles. By pressing shift you create a perfect circle. Okay, now I want for this guy, I want to display the grade on screen. I want to have them for this this project, but you can disable them whenever you want, but I want them for now. Okay, let's go. We'll create 3 of them. Now we need to create these shapes. Let's go and create them. Insert just this rectangle, rounded 1, put it in center. 2, sorry, maybe our shape is a little big. Let's make it smaller. Okay, it's good now, I think. Now press Ctrl to copy that shape. Now again Ctrl shape, Shift. Okay, it's good. We have our 3 shapes. Now we need to copy our text. I just usually copy our text and paste it. The lorem ipsum text is some text we use for filling our space. It's not something really important. It's just a text. Don't think about it. I'm just changing it here for the effects. It's nothing really special. Third. Okay, now let's just change it a little. Sorry. Okay. Now our raw template is ready. Now let's go and make it as beautiful as possible. Now, at first, let's make these things without outline. Okay, it's good. Now, let's create these 3 shapes. We first need them. These 2 to be colorless. Let's find the color for them. I use this green and this red. I think it's good. Yes, it's good. It's not bad. After that, what we are going to do, we are going here and reduce their transparency. And I'm gonna use another trick and reduce text transparency too. But before that, let me just copy this slide to have it. And I can reduce the text transparency, but not for now. I reduce them in the video. Let's go and create these things. We need to create a grade effect. For now, we just click here. We need to create this effect, but I don't really like it. I like another effect. Let me tell you what kind of effect. With kind of effect, we change the color of these things. Okay, these are good. Now I simply send them to back and send this thing to back. Let's see if okay, I just need to send it back again and send it to back. Okay, it's good. Now we have it. Let's copy it. It's our first slide. In our first slide, it's go here. It's go here. And that's great. Now we are going to, and it's our first slide. In our second slide, let me change it's here and it's here too. Okay, it's looking great. And in our third slide, let me just put it down and put it here. Now put it up. Okay, our circles are created, I think. Let's see if they created. Oh, I think it's a little up. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 1, 2. 1 is okay, 2 is up a little, and 3. Okay, these 3 slides is ready. Now, let's try and change the text. In this slide, we need our text transparency to be low. And this here is low. But here we need this text transparency, shape transparency to low, and text to low. Not a lot low, it's just 40% is good. And we need to make this low, and then here we need to make it's good. Text option to 40%. This text option to 40% also, and make this shape option transparent and make it great. Okay, let's see the slide we created. Just we need to give it a morph title. Now let's go and see what we created. You can see it's as smooth as possible. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a world to me. We are in the way to gaining 1,000 subscribers. I need your support. And if you don't like this template, we have many other templates in our channel into 2 playlists, template for PowerPoint and PowerPoint templates. One of them I am giving you everything in details, and in another one it's just a template. Okay, have a good night.